One of the most important principles in strength training, which is progressive overload. In this video, I'm going to show you how to progressively overload, which means you gradually increase the stress placed on your muscle over time using dumbbells. I'm grabbing my dumbbells. I'm going to start with 5-pound dumbbells and then work my way up. When I grab my 5-pound dumbbells and I start using them, you can clearly see that I can do this all day long. It's just really light. When you start with light weights like this, nothing really happens. However, you have to start light and work your way up. So in this video, you can see I can even throw them up in the air. They used to not be so light when I started, but after a while, they become super, super light. Okay. Next, I'm going to move on to 8-pound dumbbells, these yellow ones. 8-pound dumbbells are obviously heavier than 5s, but it's still kind of easy. So I was able to do 30 reps with my 5-pound dumbbells. Now I can do 20, 25 reps, and you can see I could still throw it up in the air. So that is still too light. So we're going to move on to the next size, which will be 10. Now notice that I'm gradually increasing the weight, okay? Once I'm done using these 8-pound dumbbells, I'm going to move on to 10. But also, sometimes light dumbbells are really good for small body parts like biceps and shoulders, okay? So here we go. 10-pound dumbbells. It's a little heavier. But still not enough for me. But for a beginner, you are perfect with using 10-pound dumbbells until it feels really light for you. So after the 10-pound dumbbells, I do have 12s because I wasn't ready to go from 10 to 15. 15s were too heavy, so I went from 10 to 12. Now I'm using 15-pound dumbbells, and now the game starts. 15-pound dumbbells is way harder than all the other ones. And this is how you do progressive overload. You must improve your form and control your weight. You can also challenge your muscles by improving your form and slowing down the movement. More control equals more muscle activation. Make sure you focus on the muscle that you're working on. If you're not thinking about the muscle you're working on and you're thinking about what you're cooking for dinner, then nothing happened and you have to do another set. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought.